Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to install Windows from my ISO file, no USB drive required. So without further ado, let's get right into it. A very simple way to reinstall Windows directly from an ISO file without needing a USB drive or DVD. Instead of creating bootable media, you run the installer straight from within Windows. Here's the process broken down. Download the ISO, go to Microsoft's official site and download the Windows ISO. Mount the ISO, navigate to the downloaded ISO. Right-click, select Mount. Windows will treat it as a virtual DVD drive, showing its contents in File Explorer. Run Setup, open the mounted ISO drive. Double-click Setup.exe. This launches the Windows Setup Wizard. Choose Installation Options. Accept the license terms. Decide what to keep. Keep personal files and apps. Upgrade. Keep personal files only. Apps removed. Nothing. Clean install. Back up your files first if you choose nothing. Install Windows. Click Install. Windows will copy files, restart several times, and complete installation. Follow the on-screen prompts for region, keyboard, account, and network setup. Finish. After setup, you'll land on a fresh Windows desktop. Lastly, you may want to delete the Windows.old folder using disk cleanup. Note: when you launch the setup from your desktop, Windows checks your current registry and digital license. If you have Home, the installer defaults to Home. If you have Pro, the installer defaults to Pro. However, you can modify the registry to override this behavior. For example, if you're running Windows 10 Pro but want to install Windows 11 Home, follow these steps. Editing the registry, press Windows key +R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to locate edition ID and change it to Core for Home, Professional for Pro, Education for Education, Enterprise for Enterprise. Locate product name and change it to match the desired edition. For example, Windows 10 Home or Windows 11 Home, Windows 10 Pro or Windows 11 Pro, Windows 10 Education or Windows 11 Education, Windows 10 Enterprise or Windows 11 Enterprise. Then go to repeat the same changes for edition ID and product name. Important: edition ID is case sensitive. Do not restart after making these changes. Run setup.exe as usual once edits are complete. Things to keep in mind: changing editions this way does not grant you a free upgrade. Windows will install the edition, but it will remain unactivated until you enter a valid product key. If you force a crossgrade, for example, switching from Pro to Home, Windows may treat the installation as a custom install. In many cases, this means you won't be able to keep your existing programs, and a clean install may be required. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.